In the next 1 to 2 minutes, I'm going to show you the neuroscience-based method that makes the work you do feel more fun than scrolling on your phone and makes going on a distraction feel like a chore. So step 1 is to simply lower your dopamine levels. So the moment your dopamine baseline exceeds the work level, work goes out of the equation and your reward system chases something else. It chases your phone, it chases video games. And even if you just do it for 5 minutes, you access your phone for 5 minutes, you go on YouTube for 5 minutes, just watch one video, your dopamine baseline will spike and you'll never want to get back to work throughout the entire day. And so to do this, first make sure you plan tomorrow today, so when you wake up you have something scheduled and you don't have this empty period where you're deciding what to do and you go on your phone in that period. So I'll leave a screen time blocker below that I use every single day. That's by far the best one in my opinion, and it's complete for free. And then just treat every single break from work you go into just like a work session. Make sure you track these breaks, make sure you have a timer for these breaks, make sure you have a set intention for these breaks, because the easiest way to get distracted is to go on your phone during your break, because I guarantee that break lasts for like 1 to 2 hours and you just don't want to work after that point. So it could literally just be you going outside, it could be you just going to the toilet. Make sure it's low stimulation. And the second and final step is to treat every distraction like an obstacle course. At the start of this obstacle course you have you, and then at the end you have a button that symbolizes you going on the distraction, right? And obviously in the middle you have a bunch of different obstacles that stop you from going and clicking this button. What we want to do is add as many obstacles as possible to stop us from going on our phone, going and getting distracted, because our brain always takes a path of least resistance. If we can make going on a distraction harder than actually starting the work and focusing, then we'll obviously do that first. This is why in certain environments you go into, you're just super focused, while in some other ones where you're just working with your friends or you're on your phone sometimes, you're so distracted. If you do both of these steps, then the work will feel very stimulating and going on a distraction will feel like a chore.